This footage captures a serious industrial accident at a manufacturing facility involving high-speed textile or film processing machinery. The clip shows a male worker operating a large industrial machine alone. As he leans in to perform a task near the rapidly rotating rollers, his arm becomes caught in the mechanism. The incident unfolds in just a few seconds, leaving the worker no time to react. This serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of occupational safety, especially when working with moving parts like rollers and conveyor belts. It highlights the necessity of proper machine guarding and safety equipment. Both employees and employers must strictly adhere to safety protocols, install physical guards, and ensure emergency stops are accessible. This security footage captures of a serious workplace incident at a manufacturing facility on the 10th of October 2022. At 3:56 a.m., a worker in a high-visibility orange shirt was performing tasks on an elevated platform near heavy machinery. Due to a lapse in alertness and physical exhaustion during the early morning shift, the worker lost his footing and fell from the ledge to the factory floor. The incident occurred in an instant, leaving the individual incapacitated. This serves as a sobering reminder of the importance of safety protocols. To prevent such accidents, it is vital to utilize fall protection like harnesses, manage fatigue during late shifts, and maintain rigorous safety training standards. Safety is a shared responsibility. Both employers and employees must remain vigilant and prioritize well-being above all else. This footage captures a critical industrial incident during overhead crane operations at a steel storage facility. The event occurred during the transport of high-mass loads where a lack of synchronization between the operator and ground personnel led to a direct impact. Due to restricted visibility and standing within the danger zone, a worker was pinned between a moving coil and stationary inventory. To prevent such incidents, facilities must strictly enforce OSHA-mandated restricted zones and ensure personnel never stand within a crane swing radius. Standardized signaling and radio communication are vital. Movement should only commence after a clear, all-safe confirmation. Additionally, implementing audible alarms and regular training on recognizing pinch points is essential for maintaining situational awareness and a high standard of workplace safety. In a machine workshop, a large lathe continues processing a long and heavy workpiece. As it rotates, everything appears stable, but this balance is suddenly disrupted. The workpiece comes loose and is violently ejected at high speed. It creates an uncontrolled movement across the workshop. A nearby worker reacts at the last moment and moves out of the danger zone. Heavy components used in such machines must always be securely fixed. When a high-speed rotating part loses control, its direction becomes impossible to predict. A worker continues breaking a concrete surface while standing on it. At first glance, the ground appears solid. However, the supporting structure underneath has already weakened. The moment he strikes again, the surface can no longer hold it. Suddenly, it collapses beneath him. The ground gives way along with the worker. The biggest mistake in situations like this is assuming the surface is safe. When support is lost, collapse happens instantly and control is gone. A drop tower joyride crashes at this theme park in China when its heavy steel cable suddenly snaps. The good news is that the cable broke when the ride was already close to the ground, preventing a much worse disaster. In this video, we witness a group of workers dismantling a large billboard at a gas station when a technical failure and a lack of safety measures lead to a catastrophic scaffolding collapse. One worker falls from a significant height, while the billboard strikes another below. Although the video contains a disclaimer stating no one was harmed during this recording, the footage clearly illustrates a life-threatening incident with potentially fatal consequences. This serves as a stark warning about the absolute necessity of adhering to occupational safety regulations, particularly when operating at high altitudes with heavy machinery. Before beginning any task, it is vital to perform a thorough risk assessment and implement protective protocols. Neglecting these standards can lead to tragic accidents that are entirely preventable with proper care and equipment. When a man is trying to dismantle a wall in his yard, at first everything seems under control. As the wall comes apart piece by piece, the structure slowly begins to lose its balance. But this change isn't noticed right away. Suddenly the entire wall starts collapsing toward him. At that exact moment, someone nearby shouts a warning. He manages to step back just in time. In structures like this, balance can shift very quickly, and even a small delay can completely change the outcome. At the exit of an escalator, an elderly person loses balance while stepping off. They are unable to move quickly enough during the transition and get caught. Losing balance, they fall hard. People nearby immediately notice the situation. The emergency stop button is pressed and help is provided. Escalators require extra attention, especially at the exit point. Even a small delay in movement can disrupt balance in a moving system. Working on the high edge of a shipping container without a harness is a major safety violation. This worker makes the situation even worse by trying to guide a massive crane load with his bare hands while balanced on the ledge. Without any fall protection, he loses his footing and falls down. Getting down from a high roof requires strict safety steps. This worker puts his weight on a loose ladder which slips away from the wall. Always make sure your ladders are firmly secured and that your entire team uses proper fall protection gear. This woman is thrown from the bench when the garbage truck accidentally picks the bench with its hydraulic arm. Garbage operators must ensure the path is completely clear of people and objects before activating heavy equipment. Fortunately, the woman was not hurt. The footage captures a critical structural failure during a concrete pour where the underlying shoring suddenly buckled, causing the entire slab to collapse in seconds. This incident likely resulted from insufficient shoring integrity, lack of cross-bracing, or localized overloading from concentrated wet concrete. An unstable foundation without proper mud sills may have also played a role. To prevent such hazards, firms must implement rigorous pre-pour inspections, ensure even load distribution, and maintain active structural monitoring. Comprehensive safety training and proper PPE are essential. Ultimately, safety is non-negotiable. Constant vigilance and engineered safety protocols are the only ways to protect the workforce and ensure every worker returns home safely. This security footage captures a terrifying moment when a man sleeping on a sofa near a roadway narrowly avoids a catastrophe. A vehicle lost control and veered off the road at high speed, striking the furniture directly and sending the man crashing into a nearby wall. Miraculously, he was able to walk away from the debris. But this incident serves as a critical reminder of how a lack of situational awareness can turn a resting moment into an emergency. To ensure personal safety, never rest or sleep in close proximity to active traffic lanes or paths for heavy machinery. Locations lacking physical barriers like bollards offer zero protection against mechanical failure or driver error. Always choose safe zones set well back from the curb or use designated indoor break rooms.